video on the workbench because I know how much you guys want for the videos on the workbench. So today, we're going to be making some putty. You guys ready? You guys ready? I'll cut my workbench and we'll get started. So what we're going to need is borax, screw glue which is non-toxic, food coloring, measurement cup, couple containers, and some water. Let's get started. So in this container, we need 1 cup of water, and then 1 teaspoon of borax. Now we continue to mix it until the borax completely dissolves. So in this container, we put half a cup of water, which I already did. And then we grab our screw glue. Now it has to be non-toxic glue, otherwise it won't work. You can also use clear glue as well, which will work as well. So we grab this screw glue. Then we'll pour in half a cup. Now I'm gonna put in a few drops of food coloring. I'm using red, but you can use any color you want. That should be good. And now we mix it up real good. So you can see I'm mixing it up. Make sure it's mixed up really good. You see, that is our glue mixture. Now I have to go get a big bowl, so I'll be right back. So I got here a good sized bowl. And now, first, we'll pour out the borax solution. Just like that. And now, for the thicker glue solution, we're also going to pour that in there. Just like that. And now, we mix it. And as you can see, it's starting to get really slimy. So yeah, so make sure you keep mixing it until you can't mix it anymore. So you see? Wow! Look guys! We got some really good slime. Yeah, you can even play with it. But you cannot eat it because it has borax in there. See? You can even push it in here. And look at this. We have very nice slime. It'll last for a while, so thumbs up. What, guys? You see this? Whoa! This is really nice slime, isn't it? Yeah, you can even play with it, but make sure you don't eat it because it has borax in there. And don't give it to your dog, probably. Yeah, so. Oh, man, look at this. Isn't this awesome? Wow. I could play with it like all day, so. What do you guys think? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. So, next time, have a nice, slimy day, and peace out.